Hello, my dear viewers. Hopefully, you all are fine and well and safe at your homes. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you guys the amazing and stunning Christmas table decorating ideas. You guys can get ideas from my this video collection how to decorate tables on Christmas. As you are watching, all are so beautiful and amazing decorating ideas for tables, and you guys can decorate your tables like this on Christmas. As you are watching this video collection, amazing and beautiful decorating ideas for Christmas. You guys will also find different type of amazing collection for Christmas, like decorating ideas for Christmas tree and for door decorating ideas on Christmas, home decorating ideas for Christmas, the outfit to wear on Christmas, all the stuff you guys will find on my previous videos. So I just want to request you people to watch my all videos. You guys will find the most trending and beautiful trending decorating ideas and the outfit ideas on my channel. So dear viewers, hopefully as you are watching this video collection, you guys will only find the latest trending decorating ideas and outfit ideas. So hopefully you guys will love the beautiful decorating ideas of for Christmas of tables. All are so beautiful and amazing decorating ideas as you are watching. So dear viewers, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. By clicking the bell icon, you don't have to search my channel and video. Easily you guys can watch my all videos just through the notification. And as you are watching this video collection, you guys will get many amazing beautiful designs and decorating ideas on my channel. If you guys will subscribe it, you guys will get more amazing beautiful collection on my upcoming videos too. And if you guys will give me your reviews and your feedback in the comment section, it will be really helpful for me and motivate me to bring more amazing collection for you peoples. So please tell me in the comment section, do you like my this video and collection? So I will try to bring more amazing beautiful collection on my upcoming videos too. Hopefully this video will helpful for you guys and you guys will definitely decorate your tables like this. All are so beautiful, simple as well as stylish too. You guys can decorate your tables like this. Your tables will look so amazing and trending as well. Definitely your guests will really happy by getting this type of decoration on your homes. All are so amazing and beautiful, trending too. Trending tables decorating ideas I just collected for you viewers. So like my video too and share it with your friends and family. They can also decorate their tables for Christmas like this.